My name is John Weymouth, and I'm the president and founder of MEDiSURG. Have you ever run into a problem setting up a machine for surgery? Maybe you were trained for like 15 minutes by the representative that came out and installed the unit. Well, what we have in store for you is a program that takes you through step by step how to put these machines together, how to get it ready for surgery, and solve problems on your own. So if you have a situation where somebody says, hey, the machine is broke, you'll know what really is taking place here and how you can fix it. So you can contact MEDiSURG and we can do this course for you live. We can do it over Zoom, or you can have it online so that you can view it whenever you need to. So training your staff and getting them ready, this can happen at your convenience. Contact us at MEDiSURG at the number below, or email us, and we'll be happy to send you information on how you can get this course in your facility.